Hello you guys, check out my new designs. This is actually a gift that I'm making for a new mother. She has a baby. I think he's a few months, maybe a few months old. So it's a gift. This is for her. I have a gift for the baby. It's a baby boy. And these are perfect. If you ask my opinion, these are perfect gifts for new mothers or mothers to be. You have any mothers, new mothers? Mother's Day is coming up very soon. Your daughter, your niece, your best friend, aunties, uncles, your wives, all you men out there, it's good to give your wife a gift when she push out. Are you with me? Hold up. And here's the little baby bib for the little man, created in the image of God. Isn't that cute? That's a little bib for him. So that's a gift for the baby. That's the mother's gift behind there. I have another gift for the baby for you to see. And here's another gift for the little young man. This is the design. It looks kind of faded, but that is actually the design. And this is an infusible ink, so this doesn't wipe off. It's actually within the material. It says, "I'm here by divine appointment." So this is a little gift. All you guys out there, all you mothers, all you ladies out there, you know of anyone, family members or friends, relatives, in-laws that are either pregnant or just gave birth a few months, maybe even the baby's a few months or a few years old. These are wonderful gifts. You can buy these. That's one. I love this one. I just made this a new design. Isn't that cute? And that's the t-shirt for the mommy. Maybe she can wear this while she goes out walking with the baby, stroller, at home, running around, chasing him or her. Give me a call. My information is on the screen. You can visit our website. This design hasn't yet been posted on the website, but I will post it in a few days. But meanwhile, you can hit me with an email if you're interested. We have all different colors, all different sizes, all colors for male and female, for boys and girls, adults and all. Thank you. I appreciate you. Bless you. Bye.